our next stop. Where we go again, 55? See you there, guys. My what's this don't know also where we go, but our driver knows where we go next. We are here, guys, in the port of North Goa. Our first stop here. Oh, welcome here, guys, in the Port Aguada and South Goa.
Aguda
Ay,
po.
sorry, North Goa pala. I'm confusing for the food, guys. Palagi talaga akong nagkamali. O, diba ang daming tao? Kasi, guys, ang daming tourists dyan. It's a December. So, it's a vacation day. So, grabe ang lawak dyan, guys.
Not good.
Ang ganda.
You always have a problem with the north and south.
I see the BBO is nice.
That's a fort. We can stand there.
Too much hot pa, 11 pa, right? Actually, it's not too much because COVID.
Okay.
I will climb on the trees.
Then football tag you fell down.
Take picture here.
They always see and they came back. You go. Go inside first. Takadu. శేఖర్ గారు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు.
Yare. South Goa, right?
నార్త్ గోవా దగ్గర.
Take me one video here, would you like that? Only like that, don't off the thing. Only 7 seconds.
This is jail, I think.
Huh? Inside?
Not now, old time.
Okay, so we will see the
It's a jail. People will be inside all time.
So yan guys, grabe ang lawak at ang ganda sa loob. Buti
Now
na
is
lang
full
hindi
plants and
masyadong mainit. Actually, December guys is winter also in India. Yes, this is the good thing. So maraming pumapasyal dyan ng mga turista. Yes, uy, mahulog. yung baba dyan guys, dati daw yung kulungan. Yes, grabe guys, tinitingnan namin. Parang nakatayo lang talaga sila. So pero ngayon, ginawa na nila yung parang pasyala na. Dati kasi iba ang nila, low dyan sa Goa. Yes, grabe ang ganda, di ba? Grabe ang lawak.
Too much hot.
You want to cover?
It's okay.
That's what I hate to tour, like this hot. This nice if cold, no? With the same nipal. Na lang, hindi siya masyadong mainit. Actually guys, that's at 12 noon. Yes, this is our first stop for our second day in Goa. Yes. So grabe talaga ang ang init. Pero kung summer, paano na lang, Diyos ko Lord, buti na lang winter dyan. So 'di ba? Kahit winter ganun pa din, grabe ang init.
In the movies you see, right? Movies. This is the fort.
Design niya, grabe ma-amaze ka talaga. Andin yung baba guys, nandun yung beach at doon kami dolphin trip. Yes, that's is our next step. Yes, grabe na lang. Ang importante may hangin dyan sa taas. O diba, ang grabe, ang ganda ng ambience niya. Na-enjoy talaga kami dyan ni Kitty pa. Yes. We spent here for more than 2 hours, I think. Yeah. So, diba ang ganda? So this is guys our next dolphin boat ride.
I think so.
See? So this is
Very beautiful.
Can we take picture together?
No. Let's shoulders down. Go inside that one. There. Hmm. 50 jail, right? Roll jail. Only light is from this one. They can see. Yeah, it's a dark jail.
So maybe have big mistake here. Then you're also in one room.
Room will be like this. It can be standard. Just see, it can go inside the seat. This jail is nothing. This is Andaman Nicobar one jail is there. Andaman Nicobar. That's a very toughest jail. All time, okay, British jail. This I think Portuguese jail.
Next guys is the dolphin tree. It's a dolphin tree. Wow. Guys, this is the best thing I'm doing in our trip guys in Goa. Yes, the dolphin trip. Grabe. Malayo-layo din kami guys na pinuntahan dyan. Grabe, ang ganda ng surroundings. So, diba? Ang ganda talaga mamasyal pag may videographer ka, diba? Habang ako busy sa kaka-selfie and of course, busy sa kaka-tiktok at saka ka-reels. O, diba? Sitting pretty lang ang peak. So, actually guys, sa doon sa gitna, makikita namin doon ang mga dolphin. So, doon kami mag-stay mga 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Yung doon talaga sa gitna ng kalawakan ng dagat. Yes. So, actually, ang daming nakita namin na dolphin na nandito sa video. Kaso, dahil gamit namin ang Insta360 na camera na yan, hindi marunong si Kitty pa yata mag-zoom. So, I don't know kung makikita nyo dyan. Mapapansin nyo ba dyan? Yung ano niya, yung what's this. But this time, hindi pa nagpakita ang dolphin. Kasi magta-travel pa kami ng mga 30 minutes doon talaga sa gitna ng kalawakan ng karagatan. O diba? Ang ganda ng surroundings. O see? Nakakita na din ako ng dolphin. Bakit kami magsakay ng pambo dati from Salete going to Sibuye. But this is totally different guys. Yes. Grabe. Kaso takot ako magkuha ng video kasi takot ako baka malaglag yung cellphone. Sige, tipay lang talaga ang nakakita dyan. Nakakuha pala, sorry. But for me, of course, nakakita din ako. Ano kasi guys, ang bilis nilang tumalon. Yan. Kaso ang dami namin dyan, na nakapag-ikot-ikot. Ang dami namin dyan nag-trip. Yes. Grabe, ang saya.
Riyadh. I don't know Riyadh.
That's all for today's video, guys. And thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Mama. Dayan Studio is signing out.